Good morning, the students of class plus 2. In the previous video, I told you about the grouping of cells, but when the cells are identical, means they are same EMF and their internal resistance is also same. But if the cells are unidentical, means their EMF and internal resistances are different. Here we have considered the two cells of EMF E1 and E2 and their internal resistances R1 and R2. They are connected in series. I told you also that the cells are said to be connected in series if the negative terminal of the first cell is connected with the positive terminal of the another cell. And in this way they are in the series combination. Now let's see what is the total EMF and their total internal resistance. Now let us suppose both the cells are giving current. As the cells are in series, the current will be same, that is I. Current is flowing through both the cells. Now if we want to find the potential difference between the A and B point, A और B point के बीच में क्या है, एक E1 सेल है, उसके बीच का पोटेंशियल डिफरेंस कितना होगा, that is E1 minus IR1. इन द सेम वे बी और सी पॉइंट के बीच में है सेल E2, तो बी और सी पॉइंट के बीच में जो पोटेंशियल डिफरेंस होगा डेट विल बी VB माइनस VC एंड डेट इज ऑल्सो द पोटेंशियल डिफरेंस बिटवीन द टर्मिनल्स ऑफ द सेल, डेट इज E2 माइनस IR2. If we want to find out the potential difference between the A and C, VA minus VC, so we add both these equations and we come to the expression like this. And if we consider that if between A and C there is only single cell, so what is the EMF between the A and C point? Let us suppose, and that is VAC. E equivalent is the equivalent EMF of both the cells, and R equivalent is the equivalent internal resistance of both the cells. So by comparing these two equations, we come to the point that E equivalent of both the cells is E1 plus E2 and R equivalent of both the cells is R1 plus R2. Means if the two cells, unidentical cells, are connected in series, so their EMF is simply the sum of the EMF both and the internal resistance of, that is the sum of the internal resistance of both. And now there is the another combination, that is if the cells are connected in series but the negative terminal of the cell is connected with the negative terminal of the another cell. That is also the series combination because the current is same in both the cells. In this combination, the equivalent EMF will be E1 minus E2, but the internal resistance, total internal resistance will be R1 plus R2. Now come to the, if the cells are connected in parallel, but these are the two unidentical cells. So here is the two unidentical cells, they are connected in parallel. Their positive terminal is connected to one point and their negative terminal is connected to another point. And suppose I1 current flows through this cell and I2 current flows through second cell. Now as these are the 2 points B1 and B2, right? The potential difference between these 2 points will be same, whether the potential difference is due to this cell or potential difference is due to this cell, but potential difference between the 2 points will be same. Due to this cell VB1 minus VB2, that will be equal to E1 minus I1R1, because this cell is giving current I1, so terminal potential difference across this cell will be E1 minus I1R1. In this way, current from this cell I1 will be equal to, this is if the potential difference between the B1 and B2, that is suppose V, so I1 will be equal to E1 minus V upon R1. Similarly, the potential difference between B1 and B2, there is the same, that potential difference we have taken V, but now this is due to the terminal potential difference between the across the second cell, and that is E2 minus I2R2. In this way, I2 comes out to be E2 minus V upon R2. Now if we want to find out the total current from this combination, that is I is equal to I1 plus I2 and that will be equal to this, and if we solve it and we divide it into two different portions, and E1 upon R1 plus E2 upon R2 minus V into 1 upon R1 plus 1 upon R2. And by solving, by taking the EMF, we come to the expression this. And E1 R2 plus E2 R1 upon R1 plus R2 and minus I into R1 R2 upon R1 plus R2. This is the expression for the V that comes from that equation, this equation. That was the I is equal to this minus V into R1 plus R2 upon R1 R2. If we want to find out V from this equation, and then the expression will be like this, and V is equal to this minus I into R this. V is the total potential difference of the combination, and V is equal to E equivalent minus I into R equivalent. E equivalent is the total EMF due to both the cells, and R equivalent is the total internal resistance of both the cells. Now if we compare these two equations, so E equivalent will be this, and if we divide it by R1 R2 from in the numerator and denominator, then the expression comes like this. And this is the expression that if there are number of cells, here is on, we have taken only 2 cells. If we have taken 3 or 4 cells, then E equivalent that will be equal to, किसके इक्वल हो जाएगा, E1 upon R1 plus E2 upon R2 plus E3 upon R3 upon 1 upon R1 plus 1 upon R2 plus 1 upon R3 and so on. And this is R equivalent. R equivalent, if this is R1 R2 upon R1 plus R2, and this is the parallel combination of two internal resistances, that is 1 upon R equivalent equal to 1 upon R1 plus 1 upon R2. And if there are number of cells, then the 1 upon R equivalent that will be equal to 1 upon R1 plus 1 upon R2 and so on. And now if the two unidentical cells, they are connected in parallel, so their equivalent EMF will be this, and internal resistance, if you want to find out, that will be this.